Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open two Bluebeam windows. Now, there are two ways to work with two windows in Bluebeam Review. You can either detach a document into a second window, which is ideal for working on two monitors, or open a second instance of Bluebeam Review, which gives you two completely separate application windows. So let's go ahead and try the first one, which is to open a detached Bluebeam window. Now, this is recommended method if you want to view two documents at the same time while keeping them within the same Bluebeam session. So open the two PDF files that you want to work with. Open Bluebeam Review first, then open the two files you want to work with. Now, both documents will appear as tabs at the top of the workspace. So let's say this is document one and I open this document two. So I have this document one and I have this document two. Document one, document two. All right, so you can just click and hold the tab of the document that you want to move, and you can drag the tab away from the main Bluebeam window. So as soon as you release the mouse, Bluebeam creates a detached window containing that document. All right, so here you go. Click and hold the tab you want to move, then drag the tab away from the Bluebeam window. So you see it creates a detached, you see now it has created a detached window containing that document. So look at it, it's detached now from the original. So you now have two beam windows open. If you're using two monitors, you can just go ahead and drag the detached window onto the second monitor. That goes away. So it means you can work in both windows independently. So to return the detached document to the main Bluebeam window, just simply drag its tab to the, just double click and drag it to the, trying to drag it onto the space again. Or if dragging and dropping it to the original window doesn't really work for you, you can just go X on it. So just click X and click on it again, and it just goes back to the original window. All right, so the second option is to open a second instance of Bluebeam Review. So if you want two completely independent Bluebeam application windows, each with its own menus, toolbars, and panels, you can just launch a second instance of the application. So just all you have to do is to just go all the way out and head over to the Windows, head over to Bluebeam, and click on Bluebeam again to launch another instance. So alternatively, if Bluebeam is pinned to Windows taskbar, you can just right click the Bluebeam icon and select Bluebeam Review to open another instance. So you can see that this is actually opening. So a second Bluebeam window will open. You can now open different PDF files in each application. All right, so if I click here, I have my first instance and I have my second instance. I can do whatever I want to do here in the second instance, or do whatever I want to do in the first instance. So go my tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.